The ultimate morning routine of highly successful people. Morning routines are about setting the tone for the day. For those that work at 8 to 5 jobs, that means prepping, planning, and getting the things done that you can't do while you're at work. It sounds like a lot, right? Well, it is. There's no easy way around that. Below are 10 parts of the ultimate morning routine. Some of the items may vary depending on your lifestyle, but all can be adjusted. 1. Wake up early. Waking up early is not for the faint of heart, but you must wake up early to accomplish anything that needs to be done before you leave. Start off with an easy 10 minutes earlier than usual, and keep at it until you find your sweet spot. 2. Move your body. This can be a bike ride, morning run, or gentle yoga. Just get your body moving and blood flowing. It will help to clear the fog and start the day with a positive intention. 3. Motivation. Refilling your motivation cup, this is different than the coffee cup, daily, is the best way to keep encouraging positive habits and forward movement on dreams and plans. Whatever your motivation is, do it. 4. Gratitude journal. Taking a few moments to write down what you are thankful for reminds you of the good things in your life. Wanting more is fine. Just remember to stop and realize all that you already have. 5. Ask the hard question. Is what I'm about to do today what I would want to do on my last day? If the answer is yes, congratulations, you can skip this step. If not, think about what it is you ultimately want to do. 6. Eat the frog. Knock out that task you're dreading ASAP. It will be a relief, and you can move on with your day. 7. Connect with your partner. You are most focused and unhindered first thing in the morning. Using that time to focus on someone you care about, a partner or a dear friend, will make keeping the connection easier and uninterrupted. 8. Plan. Make a plan for your day, what you need to do and how you plan to accomplish it. 9. Meditate. This can be a full 20 minutes of meditation or 2 minutes to clear your mind and focus on yourself. Just remember to stop for a moment and breathe. 10. Bond with your kids. Take a few moments to talk to your kids, or pets because they're kids too. Making a connection first thing in the morning will leave you both with a positive memory for the day. Building your ultimate morning routine will vary from those that others use. Everyone has different lifestyles, needs, and wants to accommodate every morning. Use this list as a jumping-off point to finding your own successful morning.